Another night, another fight.
Trying to keep my head above the water.
Every morning feels the same, heavy heart and tired brain.
Trying to smile through the pain, but the clouds still bring the rain.
People see me standing tall, they don't see me when I fall.
Holding pieces of myself, trying not to lose it all.
And every day feels harder than before, but something keeps me knocking at the door. I hear a voice inside me saying, don't give up,
there's something worth fighting for. Don't let me go under, don't let me disappear. I'm holding on through the thunder, through every doubt and fear. Don't let me go under, I'm stronger than I seem. I'm still chasing tomorrow, I'm still holding on to dreams.
Couldn't see a brighter day.
Every road felt cold and dark, like the world had lost its spark.
But every scar became a sign, every mountain made me climb.
And every time I hit the ground, I found a reason to survive.
Every storm is trying to pull me down,
but I refuse to let it take me down.
There's a fire burning deep inside,
and I can feel it getting louder. Don't let me go under, don't let me disappear. I'm holding on through the thunder, through every doubt and fear. Don't let me go under, I'm stronger than I seem. I'm still chasing tomorrow, I'm still holding on to dreams.
When the world gets heavy,
when the road gets long,
I'll keep moving forward,
I'll keep staying strong.
Don't let me go under,
Don't let me fade away.
I've come too far to surrender.